Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, the channel where innovation meets inspiration. Today, we're exploring the world of futuristic farming and gardening with the ultimate guide to automated plant care with cutting-edge technology. Get ready to revolutionize how you nurture your plants, whether you're a hobbyist gardener or a professional grower. The evolution of plant care. Plant care has come a long way from traditional methods to modern technology-driven solutions. Automation is now at the forefront, offering tools and techniques that make growing plants easier, more efficient, and more productive. Key milestones. 1. Traditional farming, manual planting, watering, and care. 2. Mechanization, introduction of basic tools and machinery. 3. Smart technology, IA and robotics transforming plant care. What is automated plant care? Automated plant care integrates advanced technologies to monitor, manage, and optimize the growth of plants. This approach minimizes manual intervention while maximizing results. Core components. Smart sensors measure soil conditions, temperature, and humidity. Automated irrigation delivers precise amounts of water. AI systems analyze data and recommend actions. Drones and robots perform tasks like planting, pruning, and harvesting. Cutting-edge technologies driving automation. 1. Internet of Things IoT. IoT devices provide real-time data, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. 2. Artificial Intelligence AI. AI-powered systems predict plant needs and optimize care routines. 3. Robotics. Automated machines handle repetitive tasks with precision and speed. 4. Drones. Use drones for aerial monitoring, pest control, and even planting seeds. 5. Blockchain. Track and verify the life cycle of your plants, ensuring transparency and trust. Benefits of automated plant care. 1. Time savings. Automation reduces the time spent on repetitive tasks. 2. Precision. Smart tools deliver exactly what your plants need when they need it. 3. Sustainability. Optimize resource usage, including water, fertilizer, and energy. 4. Scalability. Whether you're managing a backyard garden or a large farm, automation can adapt to your needs. 5. Enhanced plant health. Real-time monitoring and adjustments lead to healthier, more robust plants. Tools for automated plant care. 1. Smart irrigation systems. Deliver water based on soil moisture levels and weather conditions. 2. AI-powered gardening apps. Offer insights and suggestions based on plant data. 3. Robotic garden assistants. Handle planting, weeding, and harvesting. 4. LED grow lights. Provide optimal lighting for photosynthesis. 5. Hydroponic and aquaponic systems. Automate nutrient delivery for soil-free farming. Chapter 6. How to set up automated plant care. Step 1. Assess your needs. Identify areas where automation can make the most impact. Step 2. Choose the right tools. Research devices and systems that fit your goals and budget. Step 3. Installation and calibration. Set up your tools and fine-tune their settings for your specific plants. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Use data insights to continuously improve your plant care strategy. Real-world examples. 1. Smart farms. Large-scale farms using IoT to maximize yields and reduce waste. 2. Urban greenhouses. Compact, automated systems enabling city dwellers to grow fresh produce. 3. Hobby gardens. Home gardeners leveraging smart tools to grow thriving plants with minimal effort. Challenges and solutions. 1. Cost. High initial investments can be mitigated by starting small and expanding gradually. 2. Learning curve. User-friendly interfaces and tutorials make technology more accessible. 3. Maintenance. Regular updates and proper care of equipment ensure longevity and performance. Future trends in plant care automation. 1. Fully autonomous farms. From planting to harvesting, technology will handle every step. 2. Climate adaptive systems. Tools that adjust to weather changes, ensuring consistent growth. 3. Renewable energy integration. Solar-powered devices for sustainable operations. 4. AI breeding programs. Developing crops specifically suited for automated environments. Building a sustainable future. By embracing automation, we can create a more sustainable and efficient agricultural system. This is not just about convenience. It's about ensuring food security and protecting our planet. The power of technology in plant care. Automated plant care is revolutionizing the way we grow food and nurture plants. Whether you're a professional farmer or a passionate gardener, these tools can help you achieve better results with less effort. Thank you for joining us on Tech Dream Gear. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our future. Let's dream big and grow smarter together.